Welcome to the ultimate comfort food showdown, Friendsgiving versus Thanksgiving. Two beloved holidays, both centered around delicious food, good company, and grateful hearts. But which one reigns supreme? In this corner, we have the time-honored tradition of Thanksgiving, a day where families gather to give thanks for blessings big and small. It's a day steeped in history, filled with iconic dishes, and often marked by multi-generational gatherings. On the other side, the up-and-coming contender, Friendsgiving. A more recent tradition, Friendsgiving celebrates the cherished bonds of friendship. Think of it as a chosen family gathering, full of laughter, shared stories, and of course, incredible food. Now, you might be thinking, aren't they basically the same thing? Well, yes and no. Sure, both holidays feature tables laden with autumnal delights, but dig a little deeper, and you'll find that Friendsgiving and Thanksgiving each possess their own unique charm and traditions. They're like two sides of the same delicious coin, each offering a different flavor of celebration. Ultimately, whether you're a die-hard Thanksgiving traditionalist or a Friendsgiving enthusiast, one thing is certain. Both holidays celebrate the joy of connection and the importance of gratitude. They remind us to cherish the people in our lives and to appreciate the simple pleasures that bring us together. So, join us as we embark on this culinary journey, exploring the delicious world of Friendsgiving and Thanksgiving. Get ready to be inspired to create your own unforgettable autumn feast, filled with warmth, laughter, and memories that will last a lifetime. All right, let's rewind the clock way back to the very first Thanksgiving. Picture this, 1621, Plymouth, Massachusetts. The Pilgrims, a group of English settlers who had just endured a brutal winter, are celebrating a successful harvest alongside the Wampanoag tribe. This wasn't your typical Thanksgiving feast, though. Forget the pumpkin pie and cranberry sauce. This was a three-day affair featuring foods readily available in the New World. Think wild fowl like duck and geese, venison provided by the Wampanoag, and fish freshly caught from the sea. From Plymouth Rock to the first presidential proclamation. Now fast forward a couple of centuries. Thanksgiving wasn't an official holiday right off the bat. It was celebrated sporadically in different colonies and states, often marked by religious services and family meals. Enter Sarah Josepha Hale, a writer and editor who's often credited as the mother of Thanksgiving. For over 3 decades, she campaigned tirelessly for a national holiday dedicated to unity and gratitude. The evolution of a national tradition. Over the years, Thanksgiving continued to evolve, becoming more standardized and commercialized. The holiday we know and love today, with its iconic dishes and family traditions, gradually took shape in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The rise of mass media, particularly magazines and radio, played a significant role in shaping Thanksgiving traditions. Recipes for turkey, stuffing, and pumpkin pie were widely circulated, becoming synonymous with the holiday. A modern take on togetherness. Now let's shift gears and talk about Friendsgiving, the cool kid on the holiday block. Unlike its centuries-old counterpart, Friendsgiving doesn't have deep historical roots. In fact, it's a relatively recent phenomenon, gaining traction in the late 20th and early 21st centuries. So, how did this tradition come to be? Well, it's a bit of a mystery. No single person or event can claim credit for inventing Friendsgiving. The rise of Friendsgiving, a feast for chosen family. Enter Friendsgiving, the perfect solution for a generation craving connection and tradition, even when far from home. It's a chance to celebrate with your chosen family, your closest friends who've become your support system, confidants, and partners in crime. The beauty of Friendsgiving lies in its flexibility and inclusivity. There are no set rules, no pressure to conform to long-held family traditions. From potlucks to Pinterest-worthy spreads. In the early days of Friendsgiving, things were pretty low-key. Think potluck-style gatherings with mismatched dishes, everyone contributing what they could. The focus was on the company and the shared experience, not necessarily on culinary perfection. But as Friendsgiving gained popularity, so did its culinary ambitions. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest became flooded with images of elaborate Friendsgiving spreads, complete with gourmet dishes, themed decorations, and perfectly styled tablescapes. All right, let's talk turkey, literally. No Thanksgiving table is complete without a majestic roasted turkey, its golden brown skin glistening under the warm glow of the dining room lights. It's the undisputed star of the show, the dish that says Thanksgiving like no other. But a Thanksgiving turkey is much more than just a source of protein. It's a symbol of abundance, a culinary blank canvas that accommodates a world of flavors and traditions. Whether you prefer a classic herb-rubbed bird, a Cajun-spiced masterpiece, or a deep-fried Southern belle, there's a turkey recipe out there to satisfy every palate. And let's not forget the gravy. Oh, that velvety, smooth, savory elixir that transforms even the humblest Thanksgiving side into a culinary masterpiece. Beyond the bird-side dishes that steal the show. While the turkey may be the headliner, Thanksgiving side dishes are the real scene stealers. They're the supporting cast that elevates the meal to legendary status, each dish a testament to the season's bounty. Take mashed potatoes, for example. Is there anything more comforting than a heaping spoonful of creamy, buttery mashed potatoes? Especially when drenched in that heavenly turkey gravy. And then there's stuffing, a dish so beloved it often sparks friendly debates about the right way to make it. From traditional bread-based stuffing to cornbread variations and even gluten-free options, stuffing is a Thanksgiving essential that allows for endless creativity and regional variations. Don't forget dessert, sweet treats to satisfy your cravings. No Thanksgiving feast is complete without a grand finale of sweet treats. After all, we've saved the best for last. Thanksgiving desserts are all about indulgence, a celebration of all things sweet and comforting. And the undisputed king of Thanksgiving desserts? Pumpkin pie, of course. Its spiced custard filling, nestled in a flaky crust, embodies the flavors of fall. Whether you prefer it classic, topped with whipped cream, or adorned with a pecan crust, pumpkin pie is a Thanksgiving tradition that never gets old. But pumpkin pie is just the tip of the Thanksgiving dessert iceberg. Apple pie, with its warm cinnamon-spiced apples and buttery crust, is another classic choice. The art of the leftover, Thanksgiving's delicious encore. One of the best things about Thanksgiving? The leftovers. Let's be honest, part of the joy of Thanksgiving is waking up the next day to a fridge full of culinary possibilities. Thanksgiving leftovers are practically begging to be transformed into delicious new creations. Turkey sandwiches, piled high with stuffing, cranberry sauce, and a dollop of mayo, are a beloved post-Thanksgiving tradition. Turkey pot pie, a comforting and flavorful way to use up leftover turkey and vegetables, is another classic choice. All right, let's shake things up a bit and dive into the wonderful world of Friendsgiving food. Now, unlike Thanksgiving, where certain dishes are practically mandatory, Friendsgiving is all about culinary freedom. It's a chance to ditch the rule book, embrace your inner foodie, and get creative in the kitchen. Forget the pressure of pleasing grandma's palate with that lumpy cranberry sauce or dry stuffing. This is your chance to showcase your favorite dishes, experiment with new recipes, and maybe even introduce your friends to a hidden culinary gem or two. One of the most endearing aspects of Friendsgiving is its potluck nature. It's a team effort, with everyone contributing their culinary talents to create a feast that's greater than the sum of its parts. This collaborative spirit adds a special touch to the celebration. It's a chance to bond over shared recipes, exchange cooking tips, and maybe even engage in a little friendly competition for the title of Best Friendsgiving Dish. Plus, let's be real, sharing the cooking load takes the pressure off any one person to play host extraordinaire. Another exciting aspect of Friendsgiving is the opportunity to explore global flavors and culinary traditions. Since Friendsgiving often brings together people from diverse backgrounds, it's a chance to celebrate that diversity through food. Imagine a Friendsgiving table that's a vibrant tapestry of flavors, with dishes representing different corners of the world. Spicy Korean kimchi fried rice alongside a comforting Italian lasagna. Fragrant Indian butter chicken next to a tangy Mexican ceviche. The possibilities are endless. This fusion of tastes and traditions adds an element of excitement and adventure to the meal. DIY delights. Putting your personal stamp on the feast. Beyond the main courses and side dishes, Friendsgiving is also a prime opportunity to let your DIY spirit shine. From homemade cranberry sauce to creative cocktails and personalized place settings, it's all about adding those thoughtful touches that make the celebration feel extra special. Consider whipping up a batch of your signature cocktails, complete with festive garnishes and a playful name that reflects your group's personality. Get crafty with decorations. Think beyond the traditional fall foliage and pumpkins. Create a photo booth with silly props, string up fairy lights for a cozy ambiance, or design a custom playlist that sets the mood for the evening. The ties that bind family traditions and bonds. Okay, folks, we've explored the origins and feasted our eyes on the incredible food of both Thanksgiving and Friendsgiving, but there's another crucial ingredient that truly brings these holidays to life: the people. Food tastes better when shared with loved ones. Thanksgiving revolves around family traditions passed down through generations. It's about familiar faces, reminiscing, and sharing stories. Time-honored rituals like Grandma's secret stuffing recipe, the annual family football game, or Uncle Joe's jokes create a sense of continuity and belonging. Friends as family, choosing your circle of support. Friendsgiving celebrates chosen bonds, friends who've become like family. It's about support, laughter, and a shoulder to cry on. Family isn't just about blood ties, it's about feeling seen, heard, and loved. Friendsgiving offers a sense of belonging and acceptance. It's a time to be your authentic selves and revel in friendship. Shared laughter and memories, the heart of the celebration. Whether you're with lifelong relatives or chosen family, the heart lies in shared moments. It's the laughter from a silly joke, the warmth of loved ones, and cherished memories. Think about classic moments, the pie-eating contest, heartfelt toasts, or impromptu dance parties. These moments matter, transcending food and decor. It's about human connection, gratitude, and shared joy. So as you plan, remember it's not just about the menu or decor, it's about love, laughter, and gratitude. Embracing the beauty of both. Friendsgiving and Thanksgiving aren't mutually exclusive. They're two sides of the same coin, each offering unique celebration and connection. Embrace both traditions, honoring family and cherishing chosen family. Gather with family for a traditional feast, then reunite with friends for a Friendsgiving potluck. Or blend the two, inviting friends to join your family celebration. Approach these celebrations with an open heart and gratitude. Embrace the people who enrich your life. Crafting your own autumn feast. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the delicious history, the heartwarming traditions, and the unique flavors of both Friendsgiving and Thanksgiving. Now it's your turn to take the reins and create your own unforgettable autumnal feast. Remember, it doesn't have to be fancy or picture perfect. Whether it's a casual potluck with friends, a multi-generational family gathering, or a cozy dinner for two, what matters most is the spirit of warmth, generosity, and togetherness that you bring to the table. Don't be afraid to put your own spin on things. Mix and match your favorite elements from both holidays. Embrace your inner foodie and experiment with new recipes, or stick to the classics that bring back fond memories. The beauty of these celebrations lies in their adaptability and the personal touches that make them truly special. A toast to togetherness and gratitude. As you gather with loved ones this autumn, take a moment to appreciate the simple joys of being together. Savor the laughter, the shared stories, and the warm feeling of connection that only comes from breaking bread with people who matter most. In a world that often feels divided and chaotic, these celebrations remind us of the enduring power of human connection and the importance of cherishing the moments that truly matter. Whether you're giving thanks for family, friends, good health, or simply a delicious meal, Let gratitude fill your heart and guide your spirit. From my kitchen to yours, I wish you a season filled with warmth, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Happy feasting. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.